Hi, everybody. Welcome to Sistergirlsecondact. My name is Sheila, for those of you who know me. And if this is your first time seeing my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. Well, yesterday I attempted to do another baking recipe, cheese Danish. Now, yes, it's supposed to be really simple, and the cream, the filling came out great, but I wasn't following the directions. I used phyllo dough instead of puff pastry. So you can imagine how that came out. I'm not even going to show it to you, okay? What I'm going to do is redo this recipe today, and I'm going to try to do it right. So let's get started. Here's a list of all your ingredients. You take your cream cheese, add an egg yolk, then take a little bit of vanilla, your sugar, about 3 tablespoons. I always add a little bit of flour, just maybe about a tablespoon. Then I'm just going to basically just mix it up. You can use a hand beater for this. You don't need the big dogs to take out because it's only a few minutes. It's all it takes to mix it up. Make sure it's nice and creamy, that there's no lumps in it. Look how pretty that looks. Now I'm going to add a little bit of lemon juice to it. Incorporate all of that in. Continue to mix until nice. I'm going to scrape some lemon in there. It really punches the flavor up, the lemon. Make sure you get all of it out with the grater. Mix it up with the spatula. And your filling is all made. I unroll the pastry out of the box onto the pan, and I'm going to cut it into 4 sections. Once I do that, I'm going to fold each corner of the pastry. Then I'm going to take some egg white and brush it onto the outside of the pastry. This will make it shiny as it bakes. Now to go ahead and add the filling, and I'm going to put that in the middle of each of the squares. Go ahead and scrape some lemon onto each of the pastry puffs as well. Then I'm going to go ahead and put it into a 400-degree oven for about 18 minutes. I take them out, let them sit to the side, and I go ahead and do the second batch of dough. Cut it into 4 sections, and I will repeat what I did earlier, except this time I'll place the dough on an angle and fold more into a triangle. pastry puffs are done, I will take some confectionery sugar, a little bit of milk, and some vanilla extract and glaze them. I've also glazed some in chocolate as well. These are gorgeous. Can't wait to try them. Thanks for stopping by today. Please like and subscribe. I would love to have you as a subscriber. Until next time, take care. Bye.